Let's read source 1 for the Middle East investigation. The source is called Is There a Middle East? Let's remember our central question, which is our purpose for reading this source. How should we define the Middle East as a region? So let's read the attribution and then the headnote to find out what type of source this is, who wrote it, when it was written, where it was published, and who it was written for. Attribution. Article written in 1973 by Nikki Ketty with the title Is There a Middle East? It was published in the International Journal of Middle East Studies, a journal for researchers who study the Middle East, both present day and its history. Headnote. Nikki Ketty was a history professor at the University of California, Los Angeles. She studied Middle Eastern, Iranian, and women's history. She wrote many articles and books on the Middle East and won many awards. She spent 3 years in Iran and traveled to the Middle East to do research. Let's pause here. Take a moment to answer these questions about the headnote and attribution in your packet. So pause and come back when you're ready. Okay, now let's read the source. Let's read from this article by Nikki Ketty. Today, the term Middle East usually means the area from Morocco through Afghanistan. The people are mostly Muslim. The land is dry like a desert. Agriculture depends on irrigation, which means that farmers bring water to the crops. Pastoral nomadism, which means people moving with animals throughout the year to find grassy fields, is common. The geography of countries in the Middle East is more different than similar. The Middle East is the area that Islam originally spread across, but today not everyone in the Middle East has the same beliefs and values. If there is one thing that the Middle East has in common, it is probably the blend of pastoral nomadism and settled life, which means people who live in one place, in the whole area. Okay, now go back and read the source on your own and pause after each sentence to think what parts of the source tell you what the author or the people in the text think, want, or experience.